kebab recipe. Do you know what a kebab is? It's like things on a stick, right? You've got, usually they're like bamboo sticks, although you can get like metal ones to do on the barbecue. Bad experience I had with a metal one is realizing that if it's on a barbecue, I was young, if it's on a barbecue for a long time, you shouldn't just grab it to eat it. If you do, you get a nice little circle blister on your hand. Anyway, so for safety, we're going to think of bamboo skewers here instead of the metal ones. Okay? And this recipe requires 2 mushrooms, 2 shrimp, 2 cherry tomatoes, and 2 zucchini slices. And Amelie wants to make sure that she rearranges them all differently on her skewers because she's having this outdoor barbecue party and she's inviting different friends. And you know what happens in a kebab barbecue party if 2 people get exactly the same barbecue skewer? It's like they're not happy, and then fights break out. So she's wondering how many different ways can she arrange these so that she makes sure all of her guests get different kebabs so there's no fights at her outdoor barbecue. Well, we could represent this as 2 mushrooms, 2 shrimp, 2 cherry tomatoes, musgz. Doesn't sound very appetizing. How many different ways can she arrange it? Well, if they were all different vegetables, it would be 8 factorial. But because we have some identical objects, when you have an identical objects question, you have to divide out that repetition. We have 2 mushrooms, so we divide by 2 factorial. 2 cherry tomatoes, 2 zucchinis, 2 shrimp. So we'd have 8 factorial over 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Whew, a little bit of mental math. Was that 25, 20? Someone check. I guess we can go like, yeah, okay, perfect. So she could invite 2,520 people to her backyard and make sure nobody got the same kebab skewer as somebody else. Whew. Pretty safe. Okay, questions for practice on this one are 7 and 9.